Etegea na kada Aikor sirigin kame jas ame dauna tete kenye pedrote aitosom kano kada yaun ajuna kineta nwa joka kotomono Kalaki nesda adaun agiar kotomnada o district loko Kalaki.
Mr. Yoko is now officially in our history books as the first beneficiary of PDM and the first person in Kalaki to touch PDM cash. Mr. Yoko, congratulations.
Kano kada Etegea aina petanu imemban ber itomono bon konyunto skotomnada isako siare kisda poda kimeda utu Clement Kenneth Ongalo bote lode rai minister le yaita kironu koteso ngesda bu kilip kis kano kanyunda bito somati sirigin kojokan.
We realized that sometimes these funds were being wasted and they were not realizing the objectives for which they were created. That is why we've had all these youth livelihood funds, web and what. So PDM had to be developed, designed very, very carefully to avoid failure. Because PDM, I want to assure you, must succeed and it will succeed.
Lodera Polo Kinton Ajakanuta loko district loko Kalaki Christopher Okumu ngesta buko limdaebe karare Etegea aina petanu kunyeta ringas ainingosha achi ejiasi.
We have registered 34 SACCOs in all the sub-counties. The problem of ever-changing guidelines. As I speak now, there is no comprehensive financial guideline. There has been poor coordination between the local governments and the center. The third problem is the transport means to reach out to the various circles and groups. So this has bogged down some of the aspects of mobilization.
Received 1,929,000,000 for the 34 beneficiary SACCO accounts. That means we have 34 SACCOs in Kalaki.
Araida iche kotomono member luda pot kodumte sirgin lu kobalas daebe yalamas kesi hide kapana kwes aitrot aina peta kaulana kada dumun aituturo ne dolit tete keny pedrote aitrot aina peta no kada PDM kojokan.
I have received 1 million shillings and I'm going to use it for PDM as it was in my business plan. In fact, I'm very, very happy.
I'm grateful for this PDM to come for us in our Kibino, to support us, to give us the development in our household.
Michael Onyinge, Abraham Elapu, Kalaki District.